Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to talk about and explain the problem of red exhaust manifold. What could be the causes when you see your engine, most likely in a diesel engine, your exhaust goes to red, like a rubby exhaust, or you can call red exhaust manifold. What could be the causes and what is the problem and how to check and how to verify and how to diagnose and troubleshoot when your diesel engine exhaust getting red hot. So before the starting the video, I have a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos daily. So let's get started. First of all, what is the problem of the when your engine after running like a 30-minute or 20-minute this goes to exhaust get to red hot? First of all, what is the main issues after exhaust getting red hot and how to verify and how to get rid from the exhaust red hot? First of all, if you are rebuild newly the engine and this problem is coming after rebuilding, first of all, you go to check your engine timing, fuel injection pump timing, correct position. After that, check your injection, test and laboratory your injection nozzle spray. Make sure you have a good pressure in injectors, no stuck open, no leak injectors. Okay, before that you check your engine timing and also check with the fuel pump timing. Okay, if you have the fuel pump timing issue, leak injectors or stuck open injectors, that's mean your engine exhaust goes to red hot. Okay, where the exhaust is goes to red hot, first of all understand about the basic. When your exhaust is goes to red hot, that's mean your injection system and fuel timing is wrong. Because of that, your injection or your injector spray the exhaust diesel in a combustion chamber. Okay, and combustion chambers flow out all the diesel through the exhaust, and also diesel is a high flammable and it's taking a flame inside the exhaust manifold, and finally goes your engine overheat and your exhaust goes to red and hot. Okay, when your injectors are your in faulty fuel pump and are your faulty fuel pump timing, the timing is injected excessive amount of diesel in your injection combustion chamber. Also fault with the air fuel ratio. Because of that, when this time your fuel pump inject a wrong fuel and excessive fuel inside the combustion chamber, the piston and exhaust smoke take this fuel and out through the exhaust tailpipe. Some contaminated and residual fuel goes to the exhaust manifold and then taking a fire and exhaust goes to red head. Okay, now talk about and how to resolve this problem and how to check the basic checks to verify this problem. First of all, check the engine timing. Make sure timing should be okay after they open all the injector. Test the laboratory test of the injector. Make sure it's enough fuel pressurized and spraying are good and not stuck open or not leak injectors. This is the second check. The third one check is check your exhaust manifold. When your exhaust manifold goes to clogged out, that's mean your exhaust smoke is not easily coming out from the exhaust manifold. That's mean your exhaust is dirty. The dirty contaminated fuel taking a fire inside the exhaust, that goes to red hot. Okay, after that, another problem. When your air filter are choked or clogged, that's mean your air filter not providing good amount of oxygen for the combustion chamber. And inside the combustion chamber, some fuel is not purely combusted inside the combustion chamber. When the contaminated and residual fuel, unburned fuel goes to through the exhaust, some is remaining here and stuck out here in the exhaust pipe. Then that's taking a fire inside the exhaust manifold, and exhaust manifold is goes to red hot. Okay. Check the engine pump timing, check the injector condition, and test the laboratory. Check the exhaust manifold should be clean and good, and check the air filter. Make sure your air filter are maintained, changed, are okay, cleaned up. This fourth thing, if faulty, this is causes exhaust get red hot. Finally, one is another problem about the leak turbo. If your turbocharge is leaked, that's mean when the turbocharge suck the air, fresh air, and send to the combustion chamber. Here, our turbo is running with a lubrication engine oil. When the turbo is leaked, it's also taking oil. Oil mixed with the air, and this oil goes to the combustion chamber. And combustion chamber again, this burn fuel and some unburned fuel out through the exhaust tailpipe. Sometimes this contaminated or unburned oil, which is leak coming from the turbo, that goes to stuck here in the exhaust manifold, and that's finally taking a fire inside the exhaust tailpipe, and then this goes to red hot. Understand? This is the basic checks about and troubleshooting and diagnosis the exhaust tailpipe red hot. So I hope to understand with this video. If you have any further question or any doubt, please write comment below in comment section. I will make another video for you. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time. Goodbye.